Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Cosmos with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. To start investing in Cosmos, first, ensure you have a Robinhood account. If you don't have an account, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. After entering your details, verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is set up, link a bank account for easy funding. To add funds, navigate to the Banking tab found at the bottom of the screen. Choose Transfer to Robinhood and enter the amount you wish to deposit. Wait for the funds to clear, usually taking a few business days. With your account funded, return to the main Robinhood interface. Use the search bar at the top to type Cosmos or Atom. Select Cosmos from the search results to visit its stock page. Here, you will find valuable information, including price charts and market data. To proceed with buying Cosmos, click the Trade button on the Cosmos page. Select Buy from the options provided. Input the number of Cosmos tokens you wish to purchase. Review the total cost, including any potential fees. If everything looks good, tap on the Review button to double-check your order. Once confirmed, click Submit to finalize your purchase. Your Cosmos investment will now be reflected in your portfolio. To track your investment, navigate back to your account's main screen. Here, you can view the current value of your Cosmos holdings. Consider setting up price alerts for Cosmos to stay informed on market changes. This way, you can make timely decisions for future buying or selling. Investing in Cosmos through Robinhood is straightforward and accessible. Now you're ready to begin your investment journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.